Hello students, in this video we'll discuss chapter 5 part C numericals 9th standard physics. In first numerical there's one formula that small v upon capital V is equal to density of solid upon density of liquid. Outside volume is given, that is 1/3 of V, and small v immersed volume will be equal to total volume, that is V minus V by 3, so that is 2V upon 3, 2/3 of V will remain immersed inside the water. So 2/3 of V that we have calculated, small v, this portion is equal to small v, and 2/3 of V divided by capital V is equal to density of rubber over density of water. Density of rubber that we want to find, so 2/3, that is 0.666 into 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Approximately it is equal to 667 kilogram per meter cube. This is the density of rubber. Second numerical, mass of wood block is 24 kg, volume of wood is 0.032 meter cube. A part upthrust, that is equal to weight of the body, because it floats, it is given. So volume into density of liquid into gravity, 24 kg into g cancel. Volume is equal to 24 kg divided by 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Answer is 0.024 meter cube. Now B part, density of wood is equal to mass over volume. Mass is 24 kg. 0.032 meter cube is the volume. So density of wood is 7.5 into 10 to the 2 kilogram per meter cube. Third numerical, side of wooden cube is 10 centimeter. Mass is 700 gram. And area for the cube is 10 into 10 centimeter. So that is 100 centimeter square. Small v upon capital V is equal to density of solid upon density of liquid. Now this is the volume which is immersed. So S dash is the height of immersed part of the cube into 100 centimeter square. 100 centimeter is the total height into 100 centimeter square into 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter is the total height. That is equal to 700 gram over 1000 centimeter cube upon density of liquid, that is water, 1 gram per centimeter cube. If we will solve, H dash is the height which is immersed in water, that is equal to 7 centimeter. And we are interested to get the height which is outside the water. So H is equal to total height minus height which is immersed inside the water, that is 7 centimeter. So 10 centimeter minus 7 centimeter is 3 centimeter. This is the height which is outside the surface of water. Fourth numerical, small v upon capital V. Here density of solid is 0.95 gram per centimeter cube. Density of liquid is 1.1 gram per centimeter cube. So small v upon capital V is equal to 0.86. Fifth one, small v upon capital V, again density of solid is 0.9, density of liquid is 1.9. After solving you will get immersed part of the volume of body, that is 9/11 of total volume. Sixth one, let area of the wood piece is A. Small v upon capital V is equal to density of wood upon density of water. So 10 into A, and this is the height which is immersed in water. So 15 into area, density of wood upon 1 gram per centimeter cube, that is the density of water in CGS. After solving, you will get density of wood equal to 0.667 into gram per centimeter cube. Now water will replace with another liquid, that is spirit. So 12 into A, that is the density of wood, 2/3 of gram per centimeter cube. 15 is the height, which is the total height into area, and this is the height which is inside the this spirit into area. So density of spirit is, just to rearrange, 2/3 into 15 divided by 12 gram per centimeter cube. So answer is 0.833 gram per centimeter cube. Seventh numerical, A part, it is given that 2/3 of the volume is immersed over total volume, density of wood upon 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So if you will solve 2/3 of this, 0.667 into 1000 kilogram per meter cube, so density of wood is 667 kilogram per meter cube. B part, 3/4 of the volume divided by total volume, 2/3 into 1000 kilogram per meter cube, and density of oil. So density of the oil, by rearranging you will get 2/3 into 4/3, that is 8/9 into 1000 kilogram per meter cube, and the answer is for density of oil is 889 kilogram per meter cube. Now eighth numerical, density of the ice is 0.92 gram per centimeter cube. Density of seawater is given. Volume is 800 centimeter cube. Let total volume is capital V. Now the volume which is immersed inside the water, that is V minus 800 centimeter cube over total volume. 0.92 gram per centimeter cube, that is density of ice over density of seawater, that is 1.025 gram per centimeter cube. Now rearrange this. 1.025 volume minus 800 into 1.025 is equal to 0.92 volume. So V term you can bring to one side. 1.025 minus 0.92, V is the common. 800 into 1.025 volume. By rearranging you will get, after this cutting and all that subtracting, you will get this answer 7809.52 centimeter cube. This is the total volume of the body. The ninth one, volume of the balloon is given, that is 15 meter cube. Density of the hydrogen is 0.09 kilogram per meter cube. Mass of empty balloon is 7.15 kg, and density of air, that is 1.3 kilogram per meter cube. First of all, mass of hydrogen you have to get, so that is equal to volume into density, so 1.35 kg. B part, mass of the hydrogen plus balloon, so 7.15, that is the mass of empty balloon plus mass of hydrogen, so 8.5 kg. C part, total mass of hydrogen balloon with equipment x kg, so 8.5, that is the mass of balloon with hydrogen plus x equipment in kg. D part, then mass of air displaced, as you know, mass we can get by density into volume, so 1.3 kilogram per meter cube into 15 meter cube. So mass of the air displaced is 19.5 kg. Then the last part, mass of the equipment we have to find. So according to the law of flotation, 8.5 plus x, this is the density mass of balloon with hydrogen plus x equipment is equal to that mass of air displaced, that is equal to 19.5. So x is equal to 19.5 minus 8.5, that is equal to 11 kg. So x is mass of the equipment x, so that is equal to 11 kg. So you can watch this video again and again and practice the numericals in written. Thank you very much.